Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find system management. Then let's tap on reset options. And here at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So let's simply tap on this option. Here your device is again informing you what it will actually reset. You can also decide whether you'd like to erase the eSIM cards. It's up to you. Tap on reset settings. Here we've got the information that we cannot undo this action, so be aware about that. And tap on reset settings. As you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. Be aware because if you've got your screen lock, your device will ask you to enter to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it's natural. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.